What's on say now? What's on say now? I see it running now. What's on say now? What's on say now? What's on say now? I see it running now. What's on say now? I see it running now. What's on say now? I see it running now. What's on say now? I see it running now. What's on?
Manasi Yadav, please come near the dais. Manasi Yadav. Manasi Yadav, please come near the dais. कोई भी फंक्शन लेके तो एक श्लोक गणपति का मैं गाता हूँ, इसके बाद हम लोग फंक्शन ऑफिशियली शुरू करेंगे। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Dear friends, we have assembled today and we are celebrating today the 18th foundation day of Aisha, and this could not have been achieved so beautifully. This function has been made so memorable due to the participation, due to the helping hand of HR Rotary. A big hand to HR Rotary. I take the name of Madam Simran Loga, who is the president of HR Rotary, and all their volunteers who have helped our line to achieve this wonderful function, to make it a success. Who will believe that we are just come out of an era of fear, of pain, of suffering during the COVID. This amazing spirit shown by the youth of HR Rotary is worth a salute from our side. On this occasion, I would like to say that Aisha All India Under 3 hit. It was founded by Neha Pavaskar, Lalit Pavaskar, Kore sir, Suhas Kore sir, and Sunil Sawani sir. These are the pillars of Aisha, which is doing an amazing job in the field of sports for the blind. We have got an international game called goal ball, and can you believe it? Neha Pavaskar, she has had a big role in making that sport popular among the blind in India, blind girls, blind women. So, and one more thing I would like to announce here is that she is nominated to receive the Presidential Award for encouragement of sports in blind. Please give Neha a very big hand. And Suhas Kore sir and Sunil sir, Sawani sir, they have given their time, they have given their guidance, they have given their energy, they have used their contacts to help Neha and Lalit, the pair, to make this wonderful journey for the blind. And there is a saying that which says that अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, तू जी ऐ दिल ज़माने के लिए. So this lights has been made so true by people like Simran Lodha, Kore sir, and Sunil Sawani sir. And you young generation, what क्या नाच रहे थे आप? My goodness, amazing. One clap to you also. Amazing, क्या steps, क्या energy, क्या enthusiasm, amazing. Another thing I would like to announce here. I would request and I would like to announce here Mansi Yadav. She is the first blind international chef. Can you believe it? A blind girl. She's the first blind international chef. Internationally acclaimed. Mansi, please stand up and please give her a big hand. I would request one volunteer to please come forward and read that citation about Mansi.
The citation, Aisha International Excellence BC Women Award 2020. First International Blind Women Chef, Mrs. Mansi Chenendra Kumar Yadav, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Born on 8th October 1988, Mumbai, Mansi acquired partial blindness at the age of 12. She pursued her secondary education from General Education Academy, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and higher secondary education in arts from Ramnerian Luhya College, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Going beyond the barriers, she pursued BSc in Hotel and Hospitality Administration from IHM, which is presently well known as Dadar Catering College in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mansi was restricted to sit for the college placements because of her low vision, and also the companies which came for placements denied to grant a job to someone who had visual impairment. But Mansi didn't give up, and though there are many than one who dared to up to the mountain, she chose her own path and successfully cracked an interview, and she got the opportunity to work with a 5-star restaurant named Restaurant Prego by RTC Group, which was an Italian cuisine restaurant located at Nariman Point, Mumbai. Mansi is specialized in Italian cuisine and loves to bring healthy variations in her recipes. She has made 25 healthy oat recipes videos for Big Bazaar. She conducts demo workshops for various organizations and was once called as a judge for a cooking competition by Desai Foundation for Change. Currently, she is a successful entrepreneur. Apart from pleasing her dreams to become a chef, she also loves to dance, sketch and travel. Being a fitness freak, she practices running exercises and also participates in various marathons. She has won first position in 10km run at the Pinkathon, India's biggest women run, held at Mumbai in the year 2018. Mansi believes that the true source of her inspiration and motivation is her family and society. She feels severity of one's disability does not determine the level of potential.
I would request Suhas Gole sir and Simran Loda madam to kindly felicitate Mansi for this remarkable achievement. Please give her a big hand. Loda madam, Simran Loda madam has resolved about Mansi. Our best wishes and our Kushbu Chinese people is being given by Savani sir. सिमरन नाम भी एक फिल्मी नाम है। दिलवाले दुल्हनिया from there he became very popular. You are not born I will request your Simran madam to say a few words of introduction.
So firstly, आप लोगों को बहुत धन्यवाद आयशा को एंड तो बिफोर वी आर अप्रोच्ड हम लोग बहुत सारे स्कूल्स के पास गए थे बट कोविड की वजह से हम लोग को कहाँ पर भी करने को मिला नहीं बट आप लोग ने अग्री किया तो इवन वी वर वेरी हैप्पी दैट वी वुड डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट विद यू ऑल एवरीबडी अराउंड लाइक एवरीबडी फ्रॉम RCHR रोजा क्लब से जो भी है यहाँ पर उन्हें भी बहुत मज़ा आया और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत सम्मानित फील कर रही हूँ मैं कि मुझे साइटेशन देने मिला, तो धन्यवाद आप लोगों को एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू एज वेल एंड तो हमारे साथ जो दिया मैम और वंशिका मैम है मैं प्रेसिडेंट हूँ बट ये लोग ने ही सब कुछ किया, ये लोग ने आपसे बात किया, ये लोग ने ये सब अरेंज किया, तो ये लोग के लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाए। और हम उम्मीद रखते हैं कि आगे भी आपके साथ हम प्रोजेक्ट्स करते रहें हर साल और आपको कभी भी कुछ भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत होगी आप हमारे पास आ सकते हैं, हम भी आपके पास आएंगे। तो आपकी तरफ से एक so there is one person from that organization who wants to sing for everybody, so we
Hi friends, my name is Neil Sanchit. मोहब्बत में यूं हद को पार किया, मोहब्बत में यूं हद को पार किया, तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, हो तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, दर्द की हदों को भी पार किया, दर्द की हदों को भी पार किया, तुमसे भी ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार किया, तू मेरी थी मेरी है अगर खबर आ जाए, मैं सब्र से दिल को बेवक्त सब्र आ जाए, से प्यार किया हो दे दे मुझे तेरे पास कहीं रह जाऊं मैं, खामोशियां तेरी सुनो और दूर कहीं ना जाऊं मैं, अपनी खुशी देके मैं तुझे तेरे दर्द से जुड़ जाऊं मैं, मिला जो तू यहाँ मुझे दिलाऊं मैं यकीन तुझे रहूं के तेरा सदा, बस इतना चाहता हूँ मैं, थोड़ी जगह दे दे मुझे तेरे पास कहीं रह जाऊं मैं, हूँ सहारा तेरे बिना मैं, तू जो ना हो तो मैं भी नहीं देखूं तुझे यारा, जितनी दफा मैं तुझ पे आता मुझको यकीन, सबसे मैं जुदा होके अभी तेरी रूह से जुड़ जाऊं मैं, मिला जो तू यहाँ मुझे दिलाऊं मैं यकीन तुझे रहूं के तेरा सदा, बस इतना चाहता हूँ मैं, थोड़ी जगह दे दे मुझे तेरे पास कहीं रह जाऊं मैं। Thank you so much.
क्या कहने, क्या रोमांस है इसके आवाज में, बहुत बहुत पहुंचा हुआ गायक है। The picture of Arvind Singh and KK and all the best singers. We are sure that we'll see them in United soon. Isn't it? Okay. Now I will request our Chairman Shawani sir to felicitate Simran Lula, who has done such a wonderful work to make this evening a memorable evening. And Neha Pavaskar will present her with Shaw. Shaw is speaking. Neha Pavaskar will be or Chairman Sir Namaste. Simran Lula for this station.
तो रिकॉर्ड करेगा बंद कर रहे हैं।
She deserves a very big hand.